Hello YouTube, in my last video I talked about how to securely attach this ledger board on the wall. Now it's time for framing. As you can see here, I've already set up three 6x6 posts. The top of those posts are notched to be only 3.5 inches wide, so that they will work with 4x4s. 2x12s are used as beams, sitting on the shoulder of the posts. Beams are extended as shown in the video here, so that I could have a continuous beam across all three posts. Here are some other pictures of finished beam with three double rafters mounted. Please note, the rafters are not just sitting on top of beam. They're linked to the beams by a joint 4x4. The rafters are placed 3.5 inches apart to make a pair, so that the 4x4 can be sandwiched between them. This is also the reason why I notched the post to 3.5 inches wide, because the same 4x4 joint piece needs to be sandwiched between the beams as well. This time-lapse video shows how I mount the rafters and link them to the beams. As soon as the last pair of rafters are firmly installed on top of the beam, the main framing part of this patio cover is finished. In this photo, you can see how I also installed a few diagonal supports for the beams to reinforce the structure. To conclude the framing work, I used some 1x3s to construct a cover on top of the rafters. This cover will become the foundation for the sunroof, which I will talk about in my next video. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my next video. Bye bye!